Do you want to speak English fluently with confidently? And don't you want to learn the big grammar rules and tenses? If yes, this video is only for you. This video will greatly help you to speak English at home without reading any grammar or tenses. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanna and today I'll talk about how to speak English at home without any knowing grammar rule. Yes, it's true. I am also learning English here. I am not a teacher, but I am a learner. I can say everything what I experienced during my English speaking challenge. And this is day 27 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. Before I did not know how to speak. Even I was know everything about English language. I was know about English grammar, tenses, and many times I try to practice every tenses and every grammar rule deeply, but I did not able to speak English language. That's why I thought how I learn English language without any grammar rules. And I found an article how to practice English without any grammar. So in this video, you will know how to speak English without grammar. Okay. And today's topic is how to use do and does in your daily English conversation. It's very basic. It's for beginner, but it's very important because it's a foundation of a speaking skill. If you don't know about English pattern, how can you talk? We have to improve our mistakes gradually. Okay. We need to know the pattern of speaking. And let's know how to use do. Okay, do will go to only I, you, we, they, and every third person plural. Do will go to them. Okay, we'll take some example to know deeply. Okay, in details. I go to market. Do you go to market? I go to temple. Do you go to temple? No, I don't. No, I do not go to temple. Do I want to improve my English speaking skill? Do you want to improve your English speaking skill? I practice English every day. Do you practice English every day? It's very simple to use, and you need know to pattern of speaking. Pattern of speaking do and does. And how can you reply? If you want to say yes, then you can say yes I do. And if you want to say no, then you can say no I don't. Then you can practice this called also yes no questions. And if you want to more practice, then you can consider to reply with long answer like yes I go to temple every day, or yes I go to market every day, yes I practice English every day. If you know, no I don't practice English every day, no I don't go to temple every day, no I don't go to market every day. It's a very good way to practice our English speaking skill. Next, does. Let's move on does. Does will go to he, she, it, and every third person like my brother goes to office every day. Does your brother go to office every day? My sister goes to college every day. Does your sister go to college every day? And if you want to say yes, you can say yes. Yes, he does. Or if you want to say no, she doesn't. And if you want to practice more English, then you can reply with a long answer. Yes, my brother goes to office every day. No, my brother doesn't go to office every day. It's very simple way to practice English. And if you want to practice English more, you can create own situation to speak, use do and does proper way. And that's all for today's videos, friends. If you think this video is a little informative for you, please consider to subscribe my channel and to see more English speaking challenge video. Thank you.